Hi everyone, welcome to Max Easy. We are discussing class 10 circle chapter. So in this chapter before video we discuss about to that introduction of the circles, what is the secant, tangent, sectors like that. Touchings of the circles, everything we can see the before video. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ we can discuss about that theorem 1. Theorem 1 is point of contact to perpendicular to the radius. Already we can discuss about what is the point of contact. So that point of contact is perpendicular to the radius. How can we prove the theorem? Let's see the video. So watch our channel regularly, like and share, support, subscribe our channel. Let's go to the section.
A tangent means the line will be intersect on only one point, that is the tangent. That point we call to the point of contact. So that point we can call to the point of contact. So based on this one we can learn to the two theorem on the circle. So first one is we know that last section only I explained, that is that in the center to the point of contact we can join that radius, that is a center to point of contact, that is a radius. So in that center to any on the circle, any one of point we can join means that is a radius. So that is perpendicular. So that is the theorem 1. So theorem 1 is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So theorem 1 what is means the tangent. So that is AP is the tangent. This is the AP is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. So OP is the radius. OP is the radius. So that is perpendicular. Okay, this is perpendicular to the point of contact. So we want to prove that OP perpendicular to AP. So OP is perpendicular to AP. You want to prove that. That is the perpendicular 90 degree. You want to prove that one. Understand? How can we prove this one? Okay. So before last year only we learn, in 9th standard only we learn any point, any line segment we can draw joining from the point on O center to the any one of the line AP, any one of the point, that is the smallest shortest line we can prove means that is perpendicular. That means what is that means any one of the line segment in through the center we can draw from any one of the line to the AB line, any one of the line segment we can draw from the center to AB line. We want to prove that this OP is the smallest line of the remaining whatever it is all the line segment. We can prove that this is the OP is the smallest line. Then what is that we can compare to, we can draw that O to this one in that center to we can draw any one of the line. Okay, so any one of the line we can draw means this is that Q, any one of the line we can draw means we want to prove that OP and OQ compared to two of the line, we want to prove that OP is the shortest line. So that is the short of the line we can prove means that is perpendicular. This one we can learn to the previous year only. So that is that all the line segment joining the point of O at any point on AB, that is the shortest one is perpendicular to the AB. So which is the shortest one? In case OQ is the short means that is the perpendicular. OP is the shortest the line of AP means that is a perpendicular. So which is the shortest one? That is a perpendicular to AP. Okay, so this one we can use to this concept to we want to prove that OP is perpendicular to AP. So we want to prove that OP is perpendicular to AP. So first we want to prove that, so we can take to the, what do you want to prove that OP is the shorter than any other segment. So that is a concept we can use, that OP is shorter than any other segment you want to prove means that is perpendicular to AP. So first we can take the data. So this is the theorem, so we can take to the data and then to prove, and next one is what construction and then prove. Okay, so first we can take to that data. So what is here given to data? That is a tangent given. What is the tangent? AP is the tangent. So AP is the tangent. So a tangent AP at the point of contact, that is the point is P. So point of contact is P. That is the data. So AP is the tangent and the point of contact is P. Then next one is to prove. To prove, what do you want to prove? That OP perpendicular to AP. So you want to prove that is that perpendicular, you want to prove that. So you want point of contact through the center to the radius, that is a perpendicular, you want to prove that. So that is, you want to prove that OP perpendicular to AB. So OP perpendicular to AB. Next one, construction. So for we want to prove that construction, what do you want to prove? That before only I told you want to prove that OP is the shorter line, you want to prove that. So you can draw that one more line. So we can, any point Q on the tangent AB join OQ. So any one of the point we can take the tangent. So any one of the point we can tangent tangent AB, any one of the point Q. So any one of the point Q we can join to that OQ, center to OQ we can join, then meets the circle at R. Okay, so meet the circle means that line, now we can join that OQ line, circle ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that point, this point intersect ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, that is R. Okay, circle intersect ಮಾಡಿರೋ point R. Understand? So we can take construction, any point on Q on the tangent AB join OQ meets the circle at R. Okay. So proof, see the diagram. So we can take that Q on the line, then you can join OQ, then that is the intersect the point is R. So we can statement proof, we can take the statement and reason. So first one we can take OP equal to OR. So we know that both OP and OR is the radius. So in center onwards, any on the circle on the point we can join means that is the radius. So OP, OR is the radius. So both are equal. Radius of the same circle. So that is equal. So first statement is OP equal to OR. So what do you want to prove? That first you can understand the concept. Now ಏನು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? OP is the shorter line. So we can take, compare to that OQ line, OP is the short one, we can prove means that is a perpendicular. So OP short and prove madake, we can take that first OP and OR equal. So that both of them is the same of the circle radius. So that is that equal. So reason we should master, we can write. Then we can take that second one OQ. OQ, how can we write? OR plus RQ. That is OQ. OR plus RQ, that is OQ. So OQ is greater than of OR. So OQ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? OR plus RQ add ಮಾಡುವಾಗ we can get that OQ. So OQ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is a greater than of OR. So OR plus RQ ನಾವು ಒಂದು OR point plus RQ point measurement both ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡುವಾಗನೇ we can get the OQ. ಆವಾಗ OR ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is a greater than of OQ. So OR is less than of OQ. So OQ is the greater than of OR. So OR equal to OP. So both equal. OR and OP are equal. So instead of OR we can write OP. Okay. So OQ greater than of OP. So now we can prove that OQ is the greater than of OP. So same thing reverse we can write means OP is less than of OQ. OP is less than of OQ. So OP is less than of OQ means what is that? OP is the shorter line of the OQ. OP is less than of OQ. So OP is the shorter than of any other segment joining O to any point of that AB. So now OP is line ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. So OP is the shorter of any other segment joining to center to the any point of the tangent AP. So tangent AP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ so that is shorter than of OP is the shorter. Therefore OP is perpendicular to AP. Understand the theorem? So what do you want to prove? That first one taken data is tangent AB is the tangent and point of P is the point of contact, and then to prove we want to prove that OP perpendicular to AB, and then construction what you can take? You can take the any one of the point Q on that tangent AB and join OQ, that is intersect the circle on R. Then we can prove a statement and reason both we can take. First one we can take OP equal to OR, that is the radius, same radius of the circle, same circle. Then OQ equal to OR plus RQ, that is OQ. So therefore OQ is greater than of OR. So the OQ is greater than of OR means OR and OP equal. So OQ is greater than of OP. So OP is less than of OQ. So OQ is the greater than of OP means OP is the less than of OQ. So therefore OP is the shorter than any other line segment of the point on AP. So therefore OP is perpendicular to AB. Understand, this is a very important 2 mark question. So based of this one we can do the sum. First question, a tangent PQ. So PQ is the tangent. This is the tangent PQ and point of contact of the circle of radius 7 centimeter. So that is a P is the point of contact. So radius in the we can that is O is the center of the circle. We can join that OP is the radius. So OP is the radius. So OP equal to 7 centimeter. So OP equal to 7 centimeter. OP is the radius. So OP equal to 7 centimeter. Then meets a line through the center O at the point Q. So we can join that O to Q. So O to Q is 25 centimeter. So OQ equal to 25 centimeter. So OQ equal to 25 centimeter. OP is 7 centimeter. OQ equal to 25 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. So we should find to that PQ. PQ we can find. We can find to the PQ. Okay. So first one we can first we know that before of the theorem OP perpendicular to OQ. So now only we can prove the theorem 1. What is that? That is that perpendicular. So now only we can prove the theorem, that is that OP is the perpendicular to tangent. So OP is perpendicular to OQ. So OP is perpendicular to not OQ, that is PQ. So PQ is the tangent. So OP is perpendicular to PQ. So OP is perpendicular to PQ. So PQ is the tangent. So OP is the point of contact to circles joined from the circle radius center. So OP is perpendicular to PQ. So this is the perpendicular means what is that? We can, this is that which is a triangle, right angle triangle. We can apply to the Pythagoras theorem to find the measure of the PQ. Okay, so you can apply to the Pythagoras theorem in triangle POPQ. In triangle OPQ, P is the 90 degree. That is perpendicular. P is 90 degree. So in taken the triangle OPQ, P is 90. So angle P is 90 perpendicular. So used to that Pythagoras theorem, OQ square, that is a 90 degree opposite side is the hypotenuse. So OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. Like this sum we are done in that P4 lesson only. That is a triangle lesson. Then we apply, this is the Pythagoras theorem. And then OQ value is 25 square. And then OP is 7. OQ is 25. And then OQ is 25. And then OP is 7. So 25 square equal to 7 square plus PQ square. So we can take that 25 square is 625. So 625 equal to 7 square is 49 plus PQ square. So we can take that PQ square, leave there only, plus 49. We can take to this side minus 49. So you can transpose to the LHS side, that is minus 49. So PQ square equal to 625 minus 49. So 625 minus 49, that is 576. So PQ square equal to 576. We can find to that PQ. So how can we find out? We can take the square root of 576. So root of 576 is 24. So PQ equal to 24 centimeter. So PQ, value of PQ equal to 24 centimeter. So use the Pythagoras theorem. Why we can take the Pythagoras theorem? That is the perpendicular to the point of contact to the center. So P is the perpendicular to PQ. Therefore we can take to the apply to the Pythagoras theorem, find the value.
Now you understood how to prove that theorem 1, point of contact it is perpendicular to the radius. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತನೋ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಪಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪೈಥಾಗೊರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ 2 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Thank you.